The next topic is why non cooperation. In his famous book Hind Swaraj 1909, Mahatma Gandhi declared that British rule was established in India with the cooperation of Indians and had survived only because of this cooperation. So, in his famous book that is Hind Swaraj, Mahatma Gandhi had declared that the British rule is established in India. Why? Because of the cooperation of India, and because of the cooperation of India, because the people itself they are cooperating what the British are demanding. So it is the Indian people why the British is able to rule our country. If Indians refuse to cooperate, British rule in India would collapse within a year and Swaraj would attain. So, if the Indian people will refuse to cooperate with the British government, then the British rule in India will be collapsed within a year and hence we can attain the Swaraj. That means freedom. How could non-cooperation become a movement? Gandhiji proposed that the movement should unfold in stages. So, according to Gandhiji, whatever the movement we should perform, it should be done in stages. That means step 1, step 2, step 3 and so on. It should begin with the surrender of titles that the government awarded and a boycott of civil services, army, police, courts, and legislative councils, schools, and foreign goods. So, the first step is that the people who had got the titles under the British government who had awarded them, they should return their titles or surrender their titles to the British government. And second, they will boycott all the civil services work or offices, army, police, court, legislative council, school and foreign goods. So these was the main agenda which was proposed by Gandhiji. Then in case the government used repression, a full civil disobedience campaign would be launched. So if the government or the British government revolt against the boycott which we are doing in the non-cooperation movement, then what will the Indians will do? The Indian will do the full civil disobedience campaign against the British rule. Through the summer of 1920, Mahatma Gandhi and Shaukat Ali toured extensively, mobilizing popular support for the movement. So Mahatma Gandhi and Shaukat Ali they roamed around the areas in our country and they started giving information about the non-cooperation movement to the normal people, because if they will be not be able to aware what actually a non-cooperation means, then the movement will not work. So Mahatma Gandhi and Shaukat Ali were roaming around the places in order to aware the normal citizens of our country. Many within the Congress were, however, concerned about the proposal. They were reluctant to boycott the council election scheduled for November 1920, and they feared that the movement might lead to popular violence. So the many Congress leaders they were not agreed whatever the Gandhiji was doing with the non-cooperation movement, because their main objective to boycott the foreign goods or British was that because their main focus was to look forward to the council election which was going to be held in November 1920, and they had a fear that if the movement will occur during this period, it will lead to the popular violence. That means there will be a very huge fight amongst the Indians and the British. In the months between September and December, there was an intense tussle within the Congress. So from the month between the September and December, there was a conflict among the leaders under the Congress. For a while, there seemed no meeting point between the supporters and opponents of the movement. Finally, at the Congress session at Nagpur in December 1920, a compromise was worked out and the non-cooperation program was adopted. So finally, after the discussion and arguing, they finally decided at the Nagpur session in December 1920 that they will start the non-cooperation program in our country, India.